YouTube, what it do? You are now rocking with your favorite online fitness coach, Coach Perk from athleticallybuilt.com, where we help you to become athletically built within 12 weeks. And I'm coming back at you with another video. And today's topic is why your muscles get sore after you work out. So lock in, stay tuned, and I'll see you on the other side. I'm 1000% confident that if you're watching this video right now, at some point in your life, you've experienced muscle soreness, whether you're a quote-unquote newbie in the gym or you're a certified gym veteran. But if you want to become athletically built, it's a part of the process that you should expect and embrace. So in today's video, I'm going to break down why your muscles get sore after you work out. So let's dive in. While you're working out, your muscles are constantly contracting, known as the concentric phase, which means to bring the weight up, and then releasing, which is the eccentric phase, which means to bring the weight down, which brings the muscle to the point of fatigue. And when that happens, small micro tears occur within the muscle and all of its fibers to cause what we know as muscle soreness. This can help you become stronger and build more muscle over time because of the constant damaging and repairing of that muscle. There is also something known as DOMS, which stands for delayed onset muscle soreness, which is the more intense soreness that you may feel usually 2 to 3 days after your workout. This is the kind of soreness that makes it hard to even lift your arms to brush your hair or to even sit down on the toilet. There's no clear reason to why this happens, but it's something that you should expect. Another thing that I want to mention is just because your muscles are getting sore doesn't necessarily mean that your muscles are growing. And if you truly want to become athletically built, there are other factors that you need to take into account, like your nutrition and how much sleep you get on a nightly basis. Obviously, what you do in the gym is important, but what's more important is what you do outside of the gym to get the results that you're looking for. There you have it, guys. Why your muscles get sore. And also, watch this video on how to deal with muscle soreness so you can become athletically built. As always, leave a comment down below. Let me know what your biggest takeaway is, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.